Alright, today we are making some grilled salmon for lunch. This is a very easy dish. We already prepared the salmon fillet. This is for 2 people and it's pretty nice size. We got it from Costco and cut it the portion that we want. It looks pretty fresh. And now we're going to season it. So the first thing we're gonna do is add a little bit of olive oil. And then a little black pepper. We like fresh grinded peppercorn, that's the best. Okay, and then a bit of garlic and sea salt. And then if you like, you can also do a bit of rosemary. And I really like the smell of rosemary. You can do it on chicken, salmon. Alright. Now we gotta marinate. So I usually just season one side, but wrap around the olive oil around the fillet so it can get grilled properly. So just massage everything in. And then lastly, we're going to put a little bit of lemon juice. I'll get the seeds out. And I usually also put 2 slices of lemon on top so it can absorb more lemon juice. Okay, so the seasoning is done. So our salmon is ready. We also put a piece of little butter to make it buttery taste. And we also preheated the oven to 350 degrees. And the oven is ready. We are about to put the salmon fillet in. Ooh. And we're going to do 15 to 18 minutes. So it has been 18 minutes, and we also have the salmons cool down in the oven for another 10 minutes. And here's how it looks. Yep. It's perfectly cooked. Also sizzling too, but not overcooked. pretty tender. Alright, we're gonna eat this and put it on the plate now.